Yuneec is here to offer an alternative, announcing its new Mantis Q model with up to 33 minutes of flight per charge. The drone also includes voice control, a 4K camera and more. The Yuneec Mantis Q is advertised as a folding unmanned aircraft, one small enough to slide into a large pocket when the rotors are bent. Despite its small size and 1 pound of weight, this model has long flight times, allowing users to register extended activities, movie clips, and more. Yuneec has also included a lot of features that make the recording of this content as simple as possible. Still images, which are captured with resolutions up to 4K, are stored on a microSD card. Meanwhile, video recording supports full HD and 4K resolutions. The lower of the two joins the live electronic stabilization. As with many other camera drones, Mantis Q supports the Orbit Me and Point of Interest recording modes, which automatically cause the device to shoot cinematic shots around a person or a place. Users who are not interested in voice commands can use a physical controller with a telephone mount. This is a necessary component to the model's race mode, which allows users to compete with other drones using a live feed on the phone. The model has a maximum speed of 44 mph.